GPA, that is grade point average calculator. So in this video, let's see how to calculate term 1 GPA score and term 2 GPA score and overall GPA score. To start with term 1, so we have various courses here, and for each courses we have the letter that starts from A minus, like B, C plus, and for each letter in this chart we can see the corresponding grade points. So let's get the grade points here. For A it is 4, for A minus we have 3.70. Either you can type it manually or we can use VLOOKUP. So let me use VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. So letter A, and then I select the entire table and I press F4 from the keyboard to lock the cells, comma 2, comma 0, press enter. So I get the grade for each letters, and then we have the credits already. So let's calculate the point. To calculate the point, we need to multiply grade point multiplied by credits is equal to the grade point multiplied by credit. Press enter, you get the point. So let's extend this formula. Now let's add these credits together. For this, alt is equal to, press enter. Likewise, I just copy this and paste it formula, I get the points. To calculate the term 1 GPA score, it is simple. The total points divided by the credits, press enter, you get the term 1 GPA score. Likewise, let's calculate the term 2 GPA score. It's same way. I just copy this formula which I already pasted, which already we have. I pasted here, and then points. So grade point multiplied by credit, and let's extend this formula. Likewise, let's add this credit and points. For GPA score, this total points divided by total credit, you get the term 2 GPA score. To calculate overall sum, and then I take the term 1's points, comma, term 2 points, close parenthesis, divided by open parenthesis sum again. So term 1 credit, comma, term 2 credit, close parenthesis, press enter. Here is the result. Just in case if you want to add term 3, you just need to repeat the same function or the same way what we did for term 2, and then you can again take the overall score. Thank you.